What are we up to today?
We're gonna be doing some filming sessions. That's what we're gonna do today. We just got here, local dealership in Saskatoon. I'm gonna be
Guest
shooting a
Auto.
video. Yeah, video for these guys. So
Yeah, we'll... Huh? Two right, sure.
how's it going?
Good. I'm Rashani.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Want another vehicle in there too, or just one?
Thanks for doing the camera work today.
You're welcome.
Hey, how are you? Good to see you.
Hi, how are you? I'm Rashani. I know your sister.
Maria?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have lashes there?
No, I actually used to work with them.
Oh.
Long time, not long time, like.
Sorry, I saw you.
Yeah. I'll tell her, so.
Sure, you got the interior.
Oh wow,
Beautiful
I love
Lexus.
it.
Just want the car towards.
Yeah, you angle it right now. I'll make sure it goes to where you want.
That's good.
You come and check. I don't know, maybe a little bit the other way. To your left.
Right now we're just setting up the equipments. So just want to make sure I got all my stuff. Make sure I'm go ready to record the film. Doing the basic preparations. We just gotta make sure we have the sweet spot
Yep.
to
For the
put
light.
the strobe light.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, no worries. Here's the business end. I'll plug it into the wall.
We're probably gonna do some test shots first, and then see how things go.
Yeah.
I guess that's the best way, right? This is so long. I don't want it that long, but it is what it is. He's the main guy. He's the owner of this place.
Give me 2 seconds.
It's been a while. I did a vlog, the Red Dot. So I'm hoping to do
More vlogs.
down
Yeah.
the road. Hoping to do a lot of vlogs for you guys.
Should I turn on the heater or anything in here?
No, you're good, man. No, you're good. Thank you.
Holy shit.
There it goes. There you go.
Can you go move the light when I say? Just want to see which where's the right position to put the light. No, you can bring it up. You can bring it in. Yeah. Okay. Okay, perfect. I think I think we're good, but I had to move my camera. Okay, stop there. I just wanted to put you on the set and see when we shoot. So maybe I'll stop this.
We're changing the frame when it goes lots of new cars, trucks and SUVs, all that part.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we're changing
And
the
then
frame.
is she coming back?
Yeah, she's coming back.
With in-house financing and credit solutions for any situation. Trade-ins of all types welcome and no payments for 90 days OAC. Visit Guest Auto.
Right there. Is it guestauto.ca?
Okay. So let's get the first part done. You can come close. You can come close. Yeah. You don't have to be on the distance. You can come close to me to capture the recording. How do you like it?
Let me see. Oh yeah, it's ready.
Would you move?
You look awesome, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh my
Look
god.
at that.
Oh my god.
What's that? Yes. You're good with that, right? Like.
As long as it's tape, playing back.
Yeah, it's good.
Do you wanna?
In Saskatoon. And that's it
That's it.
That's it.
for the first one.
Okay. That's the way it is.
639-47-1839.
No, you're gonna.
1839.
What is it?
Yeah.
Should we write this one too?
I think so. Change of plans. I think we're gonna write down the whole tag thing, the whole tagline, so she can look at it and she's not like she's confident to speak out loud.
Oh, these are the one.
Black Sharpie, no?
That's too big for that handwriting.
Too big?
No. I said the board is too too small. Your writing is too small for that board. Can you? But you can see it. Yeah.
This behind the scenes video is going to be more entertaining than this.
Yeah.
This behind the scenes video.
Who's gonna play the? Yeah. Oh yeah. Good cut. No, wait. So, you want the recording to play while you speak on? Or no?
Yes, I can hold over.
Okay. I think I can. I'll play. Your eyes okay? You're looking at the camera. Yeah, it's all good. Okay, try not to move around your eyes. Because yeah, like back and forth with the board and all.
So just
Look at the camera. Like, can you come behind me? Yes.
Just look at the board.
No, you know what?
Look at the board.
Have to. No, I didn't go. There's 2 beats. Like 3, like tap, tap, tap.
Don't look at her.
I won't look, I'll stare.
You're an actor though.
Yeah, the pressure's on. This is what it's like at home. Johnny Depp and Amber.
Depp and Amber. That's for sure, yeah. Yes.
What?
My blazer is not.
Blazer.
I think.
That was not bad though.
Do you like the position? Do you like?
I like. No,
Just don't talk.
3, 2, 1. You in action.
Situation. Trade-ins of all types welcome. And for 90 days OAC, visit guestauto.ca or call Fernando at 639-471-1839. Free delivery anywhere in Saskatchewan.
Did I blink a lot?
No, you're fine.
Quality pre-owned vehicle. Check out Platinum Auto Sport and Midpoint Auto Sales in Saskatoon. Lots of new cars.
Good.
It's good? On point?
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, I'm going to put the drone up in this neighborhood and then we're going to quick take an aerial shot of the video.
Yeah. Really good day.
Right? Yeah. You got lots. Gotta make sure everything is good. So I just like to put it on. Yeah. And big thanks for Marina. You can.
Thank you for being patient with me.
Yeah, anytime.
Did you like the last clip?
Yes.
Good?
It's good. It's good.
Marina won a car.
Seriously, I want
Marina
this
won-
car.
and she won the car. We're gonna sell the car. We're gonna sell the exact car to Marina. So.
It's meant for me. Seriously.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure I get every single thing that I brought. I don't want it left behind. And then I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat now.
I'm actually vegan.